Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to log in Netflix account on your laptop or PC. It's very easy guys. Now let's get started. The first step to take is to head to any browser and visit netflix.com. Right, once you go to netflix.com, the very first thing I have to do now is to log out from my Netflix account, and then I'll show you how to log into your account. Alright, so this is my Netflix account. Alright, so if I want to log out, I'm going to have to click on this my profile avatar, and I'll get the option to sign out of Netflix. I'm going to click on that, and then I'll be signed out of Netflix. Now let me explain to you how you can actually log in Netflix account on laptop. Right, so this is the very first interface you're going to find if you visit netflix.com and you don't have an account on Netflix. So if you have an account on Netflix, you just have to click on the sign in option to start the sign in process. But if you don't have an account on Netflix, you have to enter your email address right here and get started to sign up for an account. By the way, I have a video on how you can create a Netflix account, so I'm going to put a link to the video in the comment section of this one. Alright, so go down there and check it out. So what we want to do is to show you how to log in Netflix account on laptop. Right, so I'm going to click on this sign in option right here. So if I click on the sign in option, then I'm going to have to enter my email address and password that I used in creating my Netflix account. Alright, so right now I'm going to enter my password. Alright, so I'm going to click on sign in, and I'm going to be signed in. Oh, I made a mistake in my password. I'm going to do that again. And now let me click on the sign in option again. Now I'm going to be signed into my Netflix account. So this is my Netflix account. So this is basically how you can actually log in Netflix account on laptop or PC. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more useful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.